Hey guys, my name is Freedom. This is the iClone 8 AI Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to switch the GUI in between the iClone 3D and iClone AI Studio. So actually I can close this. You can see if you are already in the iClone 3D, then you can switch to AI mode. Just clicking this, change to AI Studio Workplace. If you click, then it will automatically switch to the AI Studio. And here, this is the AI GUI for all of this. If you close this, then you can click the 3D GUI. It will switch back to 3D GUI. So to toggle it just by using these two buttons, you can just switch it. That's all. Right, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to switch the AI Studio GUI and the 3D GUI in the iClone 8. Just switch in between them, and that's all. See you in my next video. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel if you love my 3D modeling, 3D animation, and 3D game developing tutorials. See you.